beauty.
This is the first stage of a 2-year in the making program, 105D converter basket changeout. This first piece we have here, it came in at 151,000 kg. We jacked and slid it off 58 feet. And now we're putting it on beams so that at a later date we can bring a trailer and move it over into the area where it's required to go on the rail to be installed. The next piece that we're starting on now is the converter itself. That's 377,000 kg. We're going to start jack and sliding that just directly over onto mat until closer to the shutdown. Then we'll install some transport saddles with wings on it for our self-propelled trailers to maneuver it into the site at that time. While you guys were gone, we got all the mat layouts done for our road crossings to cross all the pipelines on the way there. And then also our mat area for our trailer to operate once we get it loaded and to maneuver out of there. There were some areas of concern, so we matted a whole big dance floor there for them to maneuver on and transport on. Now we're starting to load the new one, get ready for it to go in, and then at the same time we're starting on getting our matting underneath to continue with our jacking.
So right now we have all the matting that needs to go in prior to installing our beams and sliding rail. So we only have 3 more pieces to put in. A little tight in there, so yeah, we're just gonna have to manipulate it in with zoom booms and come along and spider cranes. We'll get it in, get it leveled out, and once that base is in, then we can start getting the heavy stuff in, like the saddles, get all our rail put in, and then get the jacking shoes once they show up tomorrow.
Towards the shutdown, if we advance our schedule by working day and nights, it compresses everything that we're in a bit better position to help them succeed their end goal of 29-day shutdown.
My name is Brad Hill-Gardner. I'm the engineer with Myshak Crane and Rigging. Basically my role, and Troy, which would be my partner on the project, was starting this a year ago and going through all the practices and procedures and making this thing all work.
Okay, gentlemen, so we're about to start this all off here. Between myself, Hunter, Don, everyone checked all the hoses. Everything's hooked up, connections are all proper. Everyone double checked everything as per the drawings that Brad supplied. Everyone's happy.
Myshak has purchased the HT300 skidding system along with our JLS250 jacking load shoes for the HT300 skid system.
One of the things that's very unique about it is this is a skid system, but not only does it move it horizontally, but it'll lift it up, hold it in the air as it's moving, and keep a stable, like a 3-point suspension on it.
The close confinement of all the piping in that location was a challenge.
With the new oversized 6-inch dimension, that changes the pipe elevations and everything, so we should only have about 2 inches of clearance going in, which our jack and go shoes will allow us to raise up and down to dodge pipes if we need.
To walk out of here with maybe 2 shifts under our belt ahead of schedule and feeling very confident we did a good job. That's what we want to achieve, whether it's night, day, we're going to be here to make sure that this works.
We just finished tweaking everything, lining it up so we slid over the anchor bolt. Everything's sit down on shims, end of the project, and project's a wrap.